quick demo just for 2-3 minutes. And before I start this quick demo in Databricks, I just want to introduce myself. I'm a recent graduate in business analytics, and I had an opportunity to be an intern in business analytics in some retail stores across the US. So this is how the stores look like. And my job was to prepare analysis about the sales and products for the management of this franchise. I was building dashboards. Yeah, so I was building dashboards on Power BI. As you can see, they were supposed to give some information for this business owners to understand where to invest their money, what kind of inventory to get, and based on this information on the location, they were able to put some marketing efforts in the specific areas. So my internship ended, and luckily I've been able to get another contract job, also as a BI analyst, thanks to Databricks. And I'm just going to quickly introduce how it helped me out. If you're the one who is starting their journey in data engineering or in BI analytics, I guess it might be helpful for you because it helped me actually. I'm not sure if you're familiar with Databricks like in practice, but as I saw during my applications with the companies, that a lot of companies actually are right now using Databricks for their reporting, for BI solutions, for data solutions. And on my tasks, I actually created some supply chain demo. It allows me in Databricks to calculate some metrics. So the company I got hired for, they're in supply chain, and they asked me, hey, can you just calculate, for example, the metric safety stock? We need to know how much of inventory we must order. And Databricks actually helped me out to do that, but how it was different and how it might be different for you, you are basically able to build dashboards in here. And you are able to build dashboards just from running your SQL query. If you do not know SQL, you can use GDM. For example, you can ask questions in natural language. Let's take this. If you can see here data, this is data which you created inside the Databricks workspace. If you just click, for example, on the data set that you chose, if you are not familiar with SQL, you can just write a natural language question, and it will generate SQL query for you. So you must not, if you are a BI analyst or just getting familiar with SQL, it will help you out to start your journey. So the story behind it, I guess it's like more than 3 minutes already. Just try to play around with Databricks. Playgrounds is free, and you do not need to have like work email. It helped me out, and they have this academy which I'm like using right now, and they're actually pretty helpful. And they have data sets which you can use and build whatever you want. So it's not an advertisement, it's just a word which I wanted to say because it helped me out. It might help you out as well.